Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jerome Keys Music. So today I'll be teaching you guys something very special today. I'll be doing a lead line and a bass line breakdown. I'll be playing the lead and the bass at the same time. So I'll do it first and I'll show you what you play. And I'll be teaching you a very sweet melody. A very sweet melody that you can use one man that without basses and without leads you can play in church. Just have to solo with your right hand and your left hand. I know whenever you are in church you do hear something like this. When they are singing praise, you hear and the singer will just leave the keyboardist to freestyle. Or if there is a guitarist, the singer will leave the guitarist to freestyle at that moment. So that is what I will be teaching you. And whenever they raise that song, the progression goes like this: do, so, do, or you play la, so, la, so. Stop saying guys, do, so, do. So I'll be teaching you the lead line and the bass line you can use during the praise on the praise section whenever you hear that song. So just watch and learn. Let me play it first, then I'll do the breakdown. So guys, let me do the breakdown of what I was playing. It's very simple though. I'm playing on F sharp. I'm playing on F sharp. But the normal key I'm on is on E. It's on E. I transpose the E to F sharp because I'm playing on F sharp now. But the normal key is on E. In case of those that want to rehearse it, you just put the key on, set the key on E, so you'll be able to sound like the way mine is sounding now. So I'm playing on F sharp now. So the first thing I was playing there is those are this. So let me call out the notes so you'll be able to understand better. Mi, so, do, la, do, ti, re, fa, mi, so, do, la, do, ti, re, fa. Guys, mi, so, do, la, do, ti, re, fa, 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 mi. Hope you have gotten this one. Mi, so, do, la, do, ti, re, fa. You just have to play a beat. So you'll be able to follow the beats and get it right. So this is the other one I was playing. Yes. Mi so do re do mi so ti la ti mi so do re do mi so ti la ti mi so do re do mi so ti la ti. Yes. Mi so do re do mi so ti la ti mi so do re do mi so ti la ti. Mi so do re do mi so ti la ti mi so do re do mi so ti la. So guys. After your then you play. Just you understand? You just do me, yeah, it's so do me, it's so ti, it's so do me, it's so ti. This one goes like this. Mi do la so re ti la so 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 mi do la so re ti la so. Mi do la so re ti la so mi do la so re ti la so mi do la so re ti la so. Hope you have gotten this one. Mi do la so re ti la so mi do la so re ti la so. So I've teaching you guys so many lead lines today. So friends, this is where I'm going to stop for today. If you want me to continue with the lead line and also show you the baseline of what I was playing on my next video, just drop your comments below. Drop a comment saying I should continue. Just drop your comments now saying I should continue. Then I'm going to show you the remaining lead line and also the bass line of what I was playing on my next video. So thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and most especially comment and click on the notification bell. So once I drop any video, you'll be the first to see it. Thanks and God bless you.